Are you making the following mistakes when using Fomo in your marketing? My name is Esteban Baez, and I own an agency, a marketing agency here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. It's called Regrowth Agency. And the purpose of this video is to give you something of value, something that if you implemented in your business, if you made a decision to use what I'm about to teach you, it will potentially transform your business in record speed time. So let's get right to it. Today, I want to do a mini class on FOMO. FOMO stands for fear of missing out. It is important that when you do your marketing, that you understand that marketing is a science. Marketing has to do with human psychology, and it has to do with understanding the humans needs. So when you know this, you can use it to your advantage in your marketing. Now, it is important that you, when you're trying to generate leads, that you use a funnel instead of a website. Go back and look at some of the videos that I've done this month specifically about this. It is important that you understand that people do business only with people whom they know, like, and trust. And it is also important that you understand that when you are building out your funnels, that you're using concepts like the CPO concept, right? Which is curiosity, pain, agitation, and offer opt-in. So you want to make sure that you're presenting really good offers, and then you're putting really good content out on the internet. So today we're going to focus specifically about FOMO. FOMO stands for the fear of missing out, which is human psychology at work. So every human being never wants to miss out on anything. Okay. So if you ever felt like you were missing out, you would take action. You'd be like, wait a minute, what's going on? Why are they getting that and I'm not getting it? I want to go get that thing. So let's say you're sitting down at a place and you're watching everybody getting up and they're getting dessert, right? And it seems like everyone is going to get this dessert, and you're just sitting there, you're just watching everybody kind of like getting up and getting a dessert. You start to wonder number one, why is everybody getting up and getting a dessert? And number two, is it good? Number three, do I want some of that? Man, I don't want to miss out. And then you get up, and your curiosity and FOMO will lead you to take action. So it is important that you understand that when we drive traffic to a funnel, we're driving traffic for lead generation. We're trying to generate leads. We're trying to get people to opt in and get our offers. The purpose of doing all of this is to build a list. And now if you're not building a list, you're either trying to make a sale, and to make a sale online, to get people to move, to get people to pull out their wallets, you have to use human psychology to your favor. So there's this thing called FOMO. It's fear of missing out. So how can you use it to your advantage? So the best way to use FOMO, one of the best ways that I know, is to use a tool called deadline funnels. Deadline funnels is a very useful tool that my mentor, Frank Kern, as you can see, that's his book right there. My mentor, Frank Kern, he uses it. So I figured if my teacher does it, then if it's good enough for him, then it's good enough for me. So it's important to use these sort of tools in your marketing. He uses it in a lot of his funnels. And what it does, it gives you the ability to insert a timer on your funnel. And this is a real timer. You want to make sure that in your marketing, when you're putting out good content, that people believe you. So if you say this offer is going to end when the timer hits 0, it's important that the offer ends when the timer hits 0. If they refresh the page and then they see the offer again, they're never going to take you seriously, right? Because if you can refresh the page and then there's the offer again, you're not going to be taken seriously, number one. And number two, when someone has been following you for a while and they've been listening to your content because you're putting out good content, when you actually pitch or present an offer and you use FOMO by using a timer on the pages, You can also use the timers on emails as well. It will help people know that, number one, you're for real, that you better take it and better take advantage of this offer now. And number two, it creates a sense of urgency. Creating a sense of urgency is key when attempting to make sales, on the internet. So this is why it's key for you to use FOMO in your marketing, the fear of missing out. So one way is to create a deadline by putting a timer on your funnel. The other way is you can put a timer and for bonuses, right? So you can use FOMO by saying, I have these bonuses. So if you buy before X amount of time, you're going to get all these bonuses for free. But when the timer hits 0, these bonuses will go away. You can still buy, but you're not going to get the bonuses. Okay, that's another way to do it. Scarcity is another way to do it. Using FOMO and scarcity, saying we only have 20 slots available, right? So there's scarcity. There's only 20 of them. And that's all you can, once the 20 slots go away, it's over. And you also have to do it within the timer to get in and get one of the 20 spots, right? So creating fear of missing out and creating a sense of urgency, a sense of scarcity in your marketing allows people, humans, to actually raise their hands and take action, when otherwise, if you didn't create an environment like this, they wouldn't. So that's why you have to create the environment. The environment is created by using scarcity, using urgency, using FOMO, the fear of missing out. I hope this video makes sense to you. And if you, I promise, this is the promise I make. If you figure out how to use FOMO, fear of missing out, in your marketing, if you learn how to create an environment that allows people to actually either make a decision on the spot or not make a decision on the spot. So it's better for you to use urgency and scarcity and FOMO to get people to make a decision now versus just saying, well, buy whenever you want. And then the page never converts. Okay. It's important to use all of these tools to our advantage. And I've noticed after studying hundreds of funnels and dealing with many clients and with issues of conversion, right? When you study it, when you can look at it yourself, there's not that environment that creates urgency. There's not that environment that uses FOMO. There's not that environment that uses scarcity. And it's been proven time and time again, when you use these things, your conversions go up. Your conversions go up because you're creating an environment for people to make decisions and take action. Again, this is Esteban with Regrowth Agency. If you need help with your marketing, if you want to figure out how to use deadline funnels in your marketing, how to use active, the way that my mentor does it, that's the way that I do it. Frank uses active campaign, click funnels, and deadline funnels. So I have spent 2 years working for Frank and learning and studying from all of his strategies and all of the techniques that Frank uses. So if you are actually a student of Frank's and need help to connect your funnels and figure out active campaign, deadline funnels, and everything, just to make everything work, let me know, because that's one of the things that we do here at our agency. So I highly encourage you to book a call so we can have a conversation. You can use the link anywhere on the platform that this video is on. Just look for the link and click on it, and I'm sure you're going to find out how you can get in contact with me by clicking on that link. Again, I'm here to help you. If you are in business, if you're a student of Frank Kern and you need to figure out how to do all those things, let me know, because that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to serve you. Thank you so much for looking at this video, and start using FOMO in your marketing and watch how fast your sales start to show up by creating an environment for people to make a decision. Have a great day.